Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I have another video for you, this time unboxing time. And for those of you who are familiar with this packaging, it is an item from Hermes. So yeah, stay tuned to see what I got. Okay, so the nice thing about Hermes is that you can order stuff online and have it delivered to your front door. And that is a nice thing for me because there is no Hermes stores here in Minnesota. The closest one I believe is in Chicago. But yeah, since I don't have a store here, I have to purchase online. And unfortunately the selection online is rather limited, but I was able to find this one on there, and so let's go ahead and open it up. Got my blade. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it. So I think Hermes packaging is very interesting. It reminds me of astronaut food, or you know, the packaging that they use for that. Okay, so inside this envelope I have I have this thing that did not come in my previous orders. Not sure what it is. And it's very kind of difficult to come out. Ugh. Okay, so it's just a blank card and it has a Hermes stamp, which of course you can't see. But yeah, there's an Hermes stamp on the center of this envelope. Card. I suppose if I wanted to gift this to somebody, I could write on the card and give it to them. So here is my receipts, and I just want to see if this has the information on it. Okay, so it does not. I wanted to see if it had the information of the material, and I already saw from my other receipts that it did not, but I wanted to see, you know, the cost of it because I forgot. So inside of here I took out this box, and inside of this box is another box, and I am going to quickly take a picture of this because in my previous unboxing I did not have a picture of this pretty packaging. So let me do that really quickly. Where's my phone?
A few moments later.
Okay, so here is the item. I am going to take off the ribbon and show you the inside. Here you go. The unfortunate thing about these pieces is that they don't have dust bags, which I've already said before, but here we go. And I got another Bastia coin case, and this time I have it in the color noir, and this is in Epsom leather. Here you go, if you could focus here. There you go. So this is an embossed leather, and it is a calf skin, and apparently this type of leather is one of the more economical choices of leathers at Hermes. So I wanted to look at the cost of this piece compared to my other piece, and I brought it out for you guys here. So this is the current one that I am using, and this leather, I had to look it up, but it is in the material called Mysore. I think that's how you pronounce it. I don't think it is how you pronounce it, but that's how it sounds like, Mysore. It's a goat skin, and this one, when I bought it, it retailed for $235. This one, which is in the Epsom, it retails for $225. So there is a price difference of $10, which is okay with me because I actually prefer the Epsom leather. And why I prefer it is because it maintains its structure a lot better than a lot of other leathers. I mean, this one in particular, it's a very small piece, but I could already tell it is a softer leather. Actually, oh, sorry. This leather actually feels a lot more substantial, actually. This leather is, it feels thicker. And I have coins in here already. Oh, and the nice thing so I am currently obsessed with these Bastia coin cases, and I am on the look for more colors. But the reason why I like the Bastia is, you can see you can fit a dollar bill in there, or you can fit more than a dollar bill. But in this case I have a folded dollar bill, and it fits by just folding it one time in here. And so I do have coins in here, as you can see. And the nice thing with this is that you don't have to rely on looking at it like this. You could basically, you know, take your coins out like this and see what coins you have. And it won't make a mess because the other side is, you know, cupped over here as well. So that is a very useful thing that I find with these Bastia coin cases. Where was I? I wanted to take the coins out because I wanted to compare the leathers. And just from feel, I could tell that this is a very thin leather, and it feels very, just not as substantial as this one. And so this color is in that blue électrique, or electric blue, and like I said, this is in the color black or noir. And the noir actually looks like it's not as shiny as this one, but I still love it, and I'm looking for more colors that I can find that I like in these. And they do appear on the Hermes website now and again. I know these are, you know, hard to come by, and they do, you know, resell like crazy on the pre-loved market or on the resale market, but they do appear on the website. So if you are interested in these, look on the website from here and again. One thing I also wanted to tell you or show you, and let me see, I have the box from my blue one, and what I wanted to show you, I noticed this after I opened it again, and this is after I had already unboxed it, but, and I'll take the papers out, so I'm just taking the paper out. You can see that the color, if it'll show up, oh my gosh, so it's hard to show, but you can see some blue marking right there, and right there, and on there as well. And so that's basically dye, or yeah, this is dye from, you know, this piece, or it could also be the what do you call it, the glazing that they use on the edges rubbing off. And that's a reason why Hermes needs to use dust bags, because when they are shipped, or you know, when they're just stored in these boxes, these pieces of paper is not good enough to keep the product safe. And that's just a little bit of a disappointment that I have with these pieces, or just with Hermes in general. And let me just see if the black one has the same thing. So this is the box of the black one that I just unboxed. And yeah, there's a little bit of color on here, but it's very faint and hard to see, but I can see it. But if there were dust bags that, you know, accompanied these pieces, you wouldn't really have that issue. So I do see in the corners of my piece that some of the glazing has come off, and it's sort of like a rough edge, and I'm assuming that's where that color came out from. But yeah, so that is all I wanted to show you guys for this video. Hope you liked it, and you know, like I said, I'm on the hunt for more of these guys. I really love them. But yeah, I hope you liked it, and that's, you know, excuse me, I'm like really tired. It is past 11 o'clock at night, but I'm taping this so late just because this is the only time I have available to film videos nowadays. But yeah, until next time, just remember, you guys, be you and stay confident. Take care, you guys. Goodbye.